With a large 6.5-inch LED, the clock is bright and clear from across the room. Of course, the dimmer lets you adjust the brightness from 0 to 100%. The Rocam CR1008 alarm clock is so simple to use. Clearly labeled options make it fast and easy to set your time and alarm, turn your alarm on, and choose its volume, and even quickly set your time format between 12 and 24 hours. You can even pause your alarm when the snooze isn't enough. With the colorful nightlights, your kids will never be afraid to sleep alone. Choose from these 7 beautiful colors. With backup battery power, you'll never lose track of time or oversleep. With 2 USB ports, you can even charge your phone while you sleep. The Rocam CR1008 alarm clock is covered with a 12-month warranty, so you can rest easy.
The time panel features a super large 7-inch LED display. Our alarm clock features 3 vibrant and attractive colors. The multiple dimmer levels allow you to have this in the bedroom and sleep without a disturbing glare. Simply push the dimmer slider and adjust the brightness you prefer. Simply tap the large nightlight button on the top to change each color. This works perfectly as a children's all-night companion or for getting up in the night without turning on a lamp. With this highly visible time readout on the display, you can view from far distances easily. Choose from 12-hour and 24-hour time format. To choose from 12 or 24 hours, simply use the sliding switch on the back of the clock. The buzzer sound is soothing and relaxing for a nice calm wake up. This alarm clock charges 2 devices, such as a cell phone or a tablet, to be charged at the same time. Simply connect it to the USB charging port before you go to bed, and it will be fully charged when you wake up in the morning.